Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 8 p.m. At 7 p.m., 2 severe thunderstorms were located near Pecatonica and near McChesney Park, moving east-southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Belvedere, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Rockford Airport, Roscoe, Poplar Grove, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Pecatonica, Capron, Timberlane, Caledonia, Davis Junction, and New Milford. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 115 and 123. Interstate 90 between mile markers 6 and 31. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds, Rock Cut State Park, Rock Valley College, Rockford Rivets Baseball, Rockford Speedway, and Winnebago County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.